Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chevy Volt. First, let's tackle the 12-volt battery. You'll find it in the trunk. Carefully disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive one. It's important to wait for at least 15 minutes. This ensures a complete power cycle. When reconnecting, attach the positive terminal first, then the negative. This simple step can resolve many electrical glitches. Next, let's reset the infotainment system if you're experiencing screen freezes or minor issues. Simultaneously press and hold the home button and the fast forward button. Keep them pressed for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. The system will then restart itself. This process is a soft reset, meaning it will clear temporary glitches without erasing any of your personalized settings or saved data. It's a quick fix for common display problems. Once you have located the release, pull it firmly to disengage the seat's locking mechanism. For seats that fold down, gently push the seat back forward until it rests flat, creating a level cargo area. If your seat folds up, lift the seat bottom upward until it locks into place, providing open floor space. Always confirm the seat is securely in its new position before driving. Finally, for OnStar or telematics issues, a quick reset is possible. Look for the OnStar buttons usually located on your rearview mirror. Find the white OnStar button and press, and hold it down for about 10 seconds. The system will then perform a soft reset. This can often resolve problems with communication, GPS, or other OnStar services without needing a full vehicle power cycle. It's a handy trick for connectivity troubles.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.